Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how you can implement dark mode in React.js. Okay. So here I have created a simple gallery page which displays all the images, and now you can see besides the gallery there is a button toggle theme. If you click on this, it switches between dark mode to from light mode to dark mode, and then from dark mode to light mode. Okay, so you learn how to do that. For this, to get all the data, I have used a JSON placeholder API. Scroll at the bottom, you can see photos here. So we'll be using this end URL to get all the images of the for our gallery page. So now I'm in my editor. So I'll go to app.js, and coming here, what I will include certain components here. For example, I'll first work on my UI part. Okay, so for that I'll use div class name container. So within that h1 tag, this will be a gallery, and I will also provide a button here to toggle between light and dark mode. Okay, so type button, and the event will be on click toggle mode. I will just name it as toggle theme. Right. So we haven't created this function. Okay, we'll create it later. But now we'll work at the UI part. So we need to display the images. So for that, I'll create a div gallery wrapper. Okay. So now within this, I'll create another div and give the class name as item. Then within the item, there will be another div which holds the image. So then the empty alt tag and the class for the image. So this will this class will set the size for that particular image. So then we need a paragraph tag. Okay. So this is done now. So now I'll go to add.js and specify CSS for it. So here I'll do container width as 80%, then margin auto. So then I want a text center. So then I need gallery wrapper. Okay, display as grid, then grid template columns. So basically I will repeat. I'll use a repeat here, and I will it will have 3 columns. Okay, so with all equal sizes. Then grid auto rows, this height as 300 pixels. Okay, so then I will go again gallery wrapper and the item class. So I specify a border as 1px solid. Okay, with a color. Then I will also give a padding as top 10 pixel, and side has 5 pixel on sides. Then finally there is an image for the property for image. Width will be 100%. So basically the height will I'll make a height as 200 pixels. Then using object fit property, I will contain it within the div. So here it is done. So we need to use we need to call the CSS here. Import app.css. So the next thing what will be done is we need to I'll specify certain states to retrieve the list of galleries, the list of photos from the external server. So for that I will import certain functions here. Okay. So now I'll specify them. So this will be list set list. The initial value will be an empty array. Okay, I'll just specify the use effect. Okay, so basically the use effect will load when the component, after the component is loaded. So after the component loaded, I will call a function such gallery. Okay, so I have to create this function now. So basically this will be the call to the external server. So I'll specify a URL. I'll just add it here. And just do a fetch call. Then save the response JSON. So I'll save the output in the set list state. Okay, so this is done now. So now we have called this when it is loaded. So now we need to display the list also. Okay, so I'll come here, and here I'll do sort of conditional handling. I'll just set on some conditional checking. If the list has data, then I will loop over each one of them. This has index, and here I will return this particular div. Okay, we are looping over this. So here you need to provide a key for each loop. Okay, we need to specify the image URL. This will return as basically the image path. Okay. And here will be the title, the fake title of the image. And if it is empty, then I will just load a message called please wait. Okay, so now here I need to also create a toggle mode. I will create a function, so toggle mode. Okay, so currently I will leave it as empty here. So refresh it. So toggle mode not defined. I'll just cancel it for now. So here you can see we are retrieving all the post relative, but it is not in display. So go back here. Okay, so I need to add await also here. Await. Okay, so now I go back. So one thing I need to do is it's actually loading 5000 images. For that's why it's getting crashed. So here what I'll do is I'll just load only current 9 images. So now it is loading current 9 images only. If not, I will show you. Just refresh it. Okay. So now I need to make this toggle theme work. I'll go back to my project. Click. Toggle mode. Okay. So basically now I need to change the CSS. Okay. Before that I'll specify the theme CSS. Okay. So I'll go here and create a file, theme module.css. The first one is theme dark, background as complete black. Then I'll use the same theme dark and apply opposite color to the other elements like h1 and paragraph tag. Color white. The next thing is I will use the same thing for the light theme. Here I'll make it if the theme is light, then I'll make it the letters as black and background as white. Okay. So now in the app.js I need to import this. CSS. Okay. So here now, so to apply the theme to keep persistent, I will be making use of local storage. Okay, where you can this is just you can store some data in the Chrome browser. So here I'll create certain functions. First one is get theme. So this will retrieve the theme. The other is a set theme. It will set the theme. And then there is apply theme. Okay. So the get theme basically gets the theme, the name of the theme. So now what we can do is we will check whether the theme is there or not. Okay. So I'll create theme local storage. So here what I'll do is if the theme is, I'll set the theme. Now if the theme is null, suppose if this theme is null, I'll do a ternary operator here. Then I will display the default theme as which is theme light, or else I will just pass the theme which is there. Okay. Just pass this here. I will just return theme. So now what the set theme does? So set theme takes a theme here and it will set to the local storage. Okay. So here what it is, local storage dot set items. The key is theme and the value is theme. So the next thing I need to apply the theme. Okay. So basically this theme light and theme dark are applied to the body tag. Okay. So when so I need to call this theme when the component is loaded. That is here. Okay. So after applying, what I have to do is I need to get the theme. Then after getting the theme, I also need to get the body element. So basically this will return array. I will get the first item. So here what I'll do a condition checking. If the current theme is equal if the current theme is equal to theme light, then I'll remove the theme dark, and I will add the theme light. Remove. So here you can't just add the theme light here. You just can't write theme light here because I'm using CSS modules. So that's why what I need to do is I need to use theme styles. Here I have actually imported it. Okay, so theme styles. Then you need to pass the theme light. Okay. So the next thing I want to do, you need to add. I'll just remove the theme dark and add theme light. The same thing I will be doing the else part, but here I will add the theme dark and remove the theme light. Okay. So this is done. So now in the toggle mode, we will be toggling between two different themes. So here I will first get the theme, then I will do a condition checking. If theme is equal to theme light, okay, if it is equal to theme light, then I will set it to other value as theme dark, else I'll set it to theme light. The next thing is I will set the theme now. After setting the theme, I will apply the theme again. Okay, so I'll save this and go back to my project. So if I click on this, it's not working. So I'll see what the issue is. So now you can see it is toggling between different themes. So now what I'll do is I will just give it a transition. Okay. So I'll go back to module.css and below background I'll give transition. Okay, 1.5 seconds, so that you can see the fade in and fade out effect of changing the modes. If I click on this, and if I again click on this, okay. So this is how you can use a dark mode and you can switch between different modes in React.js. If you like my video, do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.